bed of onions. It is pitiful. I've been meaning to harvest it for at least a week. You can tell all these are ready to be harvested. Look, everything has fallen over. So it is time to get these harvested. I've had the water shut off to these. Well, I actually been hand watering them for the whole entire time, but I haven't watered them in like 2 weeks. So let's pull some of these out. Let me show you. Look how amazing these onions look. I grew 3 different varieties, a white, a red, and then a yellow onion because these store really well, but look at this one. It's dang near, well, almost the size of my head. That's a softball size right there. We are gonna pull them all and I'm gonna put them in my wagon. When I planted all of these in February, I tried to plant them by variety. So I planted all my yellow here, all the white, and then I think my last batch over there was actually a mixed one. So it was a combination of red, white, and yellow. So there's a mixture of all of those. Now that I have all of these onions harvested, I am gonna lay them out. I'm waiting on a shelf to get here, and I'm gonna lay them all on a shelf to dry for a few weeks. But I have several pieces of cardboard laid out in my shed, and that's where I'm gonna lay all these to cure them for the next few weeks. All the little ones that are like this, they're not gonna store very well, so I will chop all these up into small pieces, like dice them all, and then I'll store them in the freezer, and that way I can use them throughout the season for whatever meals that I'm going to use them for. The smaller red ones I found last year, the red didn't store as well. The ones that stored the best are these yellow. I believe these are the yellow granics is what they are. These store really well. I'm going to let all of this completely dry out. Each one of these green leaves is a layer, so you want this to dry out for several weeks so it will store nicely. I had to lay all of these out in my shed because I'm waiting for another rack to get here, but I would say that is a pretty nice harvest.